Hey, I'm Anton Stenton with the Real Estate Solutions Group. Today we're going to talk and have kind of our first quarter review for what's happening with Snohomish County home prices and our real estate market in general. The real estate market here in Snohomish County right now is a hardcore seller's market. Now, what do I mean by that? Right now we've got 1.6 months worth of inventory. 1.6 months worth of inventory is the lowest it's been that we've been keeping track of. That's lower than what we had in 2005. What that really means is the market is really moving fast in regards to how quickly sales happen. Also, what's causing this is what that's causing is, we're seeing double-digit appreciation right now. Simple supply and demand. The demand is far exceeding the supply, therefore the price is quickly rising. Remember, your neutral market, just going back to months of inventory, is about 5 months, 6 months worth of. So we're definitely in a strong seller's market. What's happening in our very specific price points is that under 400, 100% of our inventory turned over. That means all of the properties that came in, if 500 came in, we sold 500. That is amazing. In the 400 to 500, 72% of that inventory turned over, and in the $500,000 to $600,000 price range, 50% turned over. So there's still a lot of sales really happening, even into the upper price ranges. What's happening for our days on market? Well, year to date versus the same time last year, it's dropped by 25%. The specific for March was 65 days on the market. That is a very rapid time to sell a property. What that really means is, because remember, this is taking all of them into account. Some of them are on the market for 250 days and some are on the market for 1 day. If the home is priced correctly and positioned correctly inside the market, it should literally sell within the first week. Sales year to date versus the same time last year are up by 7.8%. Prices year to date, look at this, double-digit appreciation, 13.5% appreciation in the average price, and 12.7% appreciation in the median price. I don't think these type of appreciation numbers are sustainable, because when we see double-digit appreciation like this, it quickly affects the affordability of buyers being able to buy. And with interest rates being at an all-time low and projected to move up in the future, it does make me a bit worried seeing this double-digit appreciation, but definitely it's good for the sellers who have been beat up so much since 2007. What else does it mean? Well, for buyers, what it really means is if we're looking under $400,000 in Snohomish County, that you're going to have to be prepared for good earnest monies to make multiple offers. We had a stats class earlier today, kind of took a quick poll of the room. Most buyers are making at least 5 offers, sometimes as many as 10 or greater, in order to get the property that they're looking for. So be prepared to make multiple offers. We recommend reviewing our multiple offer video. Secondly, for sellers, what this means is you actually want to take a look into the future. And what I mean by that is what you're going to be looking at for your sold comps is a glimpse of the past. You're going to be able to get more today than you were able to get for your home 30, 60, 90 days ago. It also means if you were possibly unsuccessful in selling your home, let's just say in 2012, we may be able to get you today that specific value that you were looking for. It also means for a seller that you need to pick an agent who's paying attention to the market so they don't cost you money. If they're not up on the statistics, they could underprice your property and not get you the top value. If you guys have any more questions, comments, or ideas, leave them below, subscribe above, and we'll update you more as we go. Thanks.